This is called, and it's very heavy, called the Crown Prince. And we seem to love growing, or they seem to love growing on our farm. And I think they've been growing for years here, and they are just the king of pumpkins, and they are a real keeper because they've got really hard shell, so they will keep in the winter. And so we've got food for the next sort of 6 months, and they will just they hold their shape, and they're not very watery, so they're delicious in a curry. And let me show you what this surprise, what is inside. Because this Crown Prince is so solid, the skin is so hard. Look, I mean, it's so dangerous. Do you know what? I'm so impatient. I don't want to tackle this. It's dangerous. So what I do, I would slam it on the floor, and then it will naturally break in half. Let's see. So look, after slamming it on the floor, look what it's done. It's naturally cut in half, so no knife, nothing, which is, I think, much safer. Can you see it's almost like the guts of the pumpkin. Look at this magnificent flesh. It's absolutely delicious, and I can smell it. Oh, so sweet. And it's very dense, and it's the best pumpkin to be used because it holds its shape, and it's really, really deliciously dry, and it's fantastic for roasting, for curry, and all sorts of things. But look, this is like the insides, the guts of the pumpkin. So I'm going to take the seeds out. Oh, it feels so lovely. And all the fibrous. And then these seeds are going to be saved for when I'm just going to sow them in the next month or two, the plants. So what you do to save the seeds is just separate the fibre and then just leave them out to dry. I mean, you could roast them if you prefer, and then you can eat them once you've roasted them. This size is enormous, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to share it with some friends. As we've got it in half, why not take some of this and then just share it around. So the best way to serve this pumpkin is literally to just cut it into slices, a bit like a melon. And then pop it onto a roasting tin, and then just roast it with pieces like this, with salt and pepper and oil. They're absolutely gorgeous. That just gives me so much joy to see that colour, the nutrients, the beta carotene in it that will turn into vitamin A. So this is going to support our immune system, and it's just divine. It's absolutely gorgeous.